Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a red velvet iced latte. Now first, make the cream cheese that I'm going to put for the foam. Just use some whipped cream, don't really matter which kind. This is the spreadable kind. If you have the regular kind, go ahead and use that. It's probably too much, but hey. Just a tad bit of the brown butter. But if you have regular salt, use that. So I don't want it to be too salty. Like literally, I don't know if you can see these granules. Yeah, I'm gonna put that a little bit in there. If you watch my channel, you know I don't do that. I put way more than that. I'm also gonna be using some red food coloring. Now I tried to avoid this in one of my recipes. Let me know if you know which one it was. However, with this one, I wanted to use that because the last one used like different. You gotta look at those videos, but it was like mainly because those ingredients was going in the latte. Those ingredients are not going in this latte this time. I know some people use like a red beet. I don't like regular beets, so I don't even know how the powder tastes. Maybe it's okay, but I'm not gonna risk it. I'm gonna use this food coloring. Just go ahead and mix it on the. Oh, I know it's something I was missing. You're not gonna mix it up yet. I like my cream cheese sweet when I'm doing the desserts. So I'm gonna put in some brown sugar. But if you want to put in white sugar, powdered sugar, go right ahead. Now I'm gonna mix it. I ain't gotta incorporate it so much. I'm gonna make some chocolate sauce. Now I can use my chocolate sauce juice that I already have, but I wanted to use some chocolate hearts. Some of them are like white chocolate, so I wanted to use that as well. Heavy whipping cream. Chocolate, this is how it looks. Don't break it a little bit. And this is like on medium heat. And this is the regular chocolate, but it have like some type of cream in it. So yeah, I want all this incorporated. But I make my coffee. I don't want just no plain chocolate and nuts. I can turn it off now because it started to bubble a little bit, and I don't want it to like, burn or anything. I'm also use a little bit of my brown butter. This is finishing salt. If you have regular salt, use that. It's just like a pinch. I'm gonna turn my stove off now too. Okay, I'm gonna take my coffee. I'm gonna put in my chocolate sauce that I made. You can strain it. You don't want this stuff in there. Am I gonna do it? Don't want to. Just embrace your true color. Stop giving yourself self-hate. Love the skin you in. If you're dark, you're dark. Stop trying to be red when you're not. I'm gonna put that chocolate right in there because all you is a chocolate. And I put the salt already in the chocolate sauce. Put in my milk. And I'm putting one other interesting thing. Ta-da! And I know some people are like, huh? Cinnamon bun? What did it go? Huh? How did it go? It's pretty much a fluffy cake. I know it's not exactly a cake, but it's a dessert. I feel like this will pair great with this. I don't want just that chocolate mainly taste in there. I know it got like different chocolates, but I don't just want that. Adding some of this. I'm gonna taste it first. Remember I told you TJ Maxx, and I said, guess which one it is? Well, this one of them. That cinnamon bun. It smells just like a cinnamon roll. Let me taste it a little bit. Oh yeah. I taste the bits of cinnamon. Oh my goodness, it just looks like the cream cheese from like cinnamon. Oh yeah. Oh moment. Yeah, man, when I tell y'all I got this down pat, go get this if y'all haven't get this already. I don't know what brand, but I know for this brand, moment. When I tell y'all I nailed this, put a little bit in here. Well, I don't know if it's gonna be a little bit. Gonna put some in here. The price and everything, it's in that video. You gotta watch it. I already told you where I got it from. How much more I gotta tell you? Alright, cover it up. Don't do that no more. Alright, I'm gonna cover it and shake it on up. Open it, I'm gonna taste it. Okay. I do taste a little bit of cinnamon roll. I still taste the coffee. But it's actually not as sweet as I thought it would be. Okay, and a little hints of chocolate. Okay. I'm gonna take this sauce because the other one's kind of like too runny to like drizzle it on there. So I'm gonna use this instead. Okay, I'm gonna put my cream cheese as a cold foam. I'm gonna put that back into play. Yeah, I also put some more brown sugar in there because I want it to be a little bit more sweeter. Alright, I'm gonna use my heavy whipping cream, put some in there. Okay, I might have to put more to froth it to make it thinner. Okay, I had to add in some more the rest of my heavy whipping cream, and I put a little bit of milk to thin it out. Now it's still more pinker than I want, so I'm gonna add in a little bit more drops. And also too, it's good, but I want it a little bit sweeter, so I'm adding up some of my cinnamon bun as well. I'm gonna taste it first, see if I can taste. Mmm. Yeah, that's better. Now taste that. I know I put a little bit of salt in it. It's not salty enough for me, so I'm gonna put it some more. Oh yeah, this is when I put like a pinch, less than a pinch. Yeah, it shows. Taste it again. So good. Oh my goodness. Yes. To the refrigerator. It's still a little bit of, yeah, but I don't got time to wait like that. I'm going to go ahead and put my ice. I'm going to put my coffee in here now. Yes, y'all had to bring it up closer because you could even see the color inside of it over far back when I had to push back a little bit. Can you see? See how it ain't really showing? Yeah, it don't look like it's. Now I did want to be redder, but come on, how much food color you want me to put in here? It's gonna stay like that. Now where I'm from, we can't have a red velvet cake without pecans on the top of it. I know some people say pecans, no, we call it pecans. Or at least I do. Now I don't have pecans, but I do have almonds. So I'm gonna use some of my chopped up onions. Ew, nasty. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on top. If you don't want to put any on yours, you don't have to. I'm gonna put some on mine though. Pretty, ain't it? Well, I'm gonna have to close it up. Give you a close up. Not pretty, ain't it? Yes, y'all, the red velvet. Now it's looking like a hot pink velvet. When I tell you I don't know what happened to the clip of me tasting it, never mind that, it ain't stopping nothing. When I tell you it tasted just like a red velvet cake in liquid form, because it did. You could taste that chocolate sauce, but it wasn't overpowering because of that sauce of the cinnamon bun. When I tell you it paired so good, Then that sweet cream cheese glaze and that cinnamon sauce plus the little almonds thrown on top. You can't tell me that's not the original one. Not the two. If you like iced coffees, lattes, or red velvet, hit this recipe up. Y'all have a blessed day.